You don't need a $300 Arc'teryx jacket to hike safely, but buying $30 boots from Amazon will absolutely ruin your trip. To stay under $300 without risking safety, we use an uneven budget split. We spend nearly half our money on just two items: shoes and the backpack. This is non-negotiable because these contact points determine physical pain. For the pack, skip the flimsy Amazon basics. The Decathlon NH500 Escape 32L is roughly $45. It offers structured back support and durable zippers that beat the Teton Sports Oasis in longevity testing. Footwear is your biggest expense. Avoid Nordiv 8 or generic brands. The glue fails on trails. Look for the Merrell Moab 3 on sale, $70 to $80, or the Decathlon NH500. You need established rubber compounds for wet rock safety. Here is why we pay for brand name shoes. Budget shoes lack torsional rigidity, leading to ankle rolls, and use cheap EVA foam that collapses after 50 miles. Branded options protect your joints. Clothing is where we slash costs. You do not need hiking-specific shirts. A synthetic 32 degrees shirt from Costco is $8. For insulation, a $30 Uniqlo fleece or Decathlon NH500 works exactly like a $150 Patagonia regulator. For pants, avoid denim. Grab Wrangler ATG pants from Target or Walmart for roughly $28. They are stretchy, durable, and dry fast. They are the best-kept secret in the budget hiking world. Rain gear is tricky. The Frog Togs Ultralight is only $20 and completely waterproof, but it rips easily. For $10 more, the Decathlon Raincoat offers better durability but slightly less breathability. Pick the Raincoat for forests. Do not skimp on socks or water filtration. One pair of darn tough merino socks, $25, prevents blisters better than 10 cotton pairs. For water, buy a Sawyer Squeeze, $30, and attach it to $2 smart water bottles. Here is your full shopping list. If you shop sales for the shoes, this entire loadout lands under $300. This kit is capable of doing 90% of non-winter trails safely. Start with this budget setup. If you fall in love with hiking, upgrade your shoes first, then your pack. Everything else on this list can last you for years. Don't overthink the gear, buy the shoes, grab a pack, and go.